Hello friends, welcome back to the Kitchen Organization Hub, your ultimate destination for all things steady, efficient and tastefully arranged in the heart of your home. Our channel is your partner in transforming chaos into the culinary serenity, guiding you through the art of decluttering, optimizing storage, and curating a kitchen that's as visually appealing as it is functional. Explore our treasure trove of videos where we unveil the secrets to an impeccably organized pantry, showcase clever space saving hacks for every nook and cranny, and share ingenious ways to categorize, label, and store ingredients. Our step by step tutorials and real life kitchen makeovers will ignite your creativity and empower you to turn your kitchen into a symphony of order. Step into the world of culinary order lines with our kitchen organization channel. We are here to revolutionize your cooking area, bringing you expert advice and innovative hacks to conquer clutter and reclaim your kitchen's potential. Dive into our videos to uncover ingenious ways to optimize your pantry, ingeniously arrange utensils, and establish a harmonious cooking environment. I hope you like my video. Subscribe now to embark on a journey of culinary elegance. Thanks for watching my video.